Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. As usual, speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. I hope that you all are doing well. So there's a very strong message of like, what I heard was like there's going to be a wand, WAND, a wand, you know, knock, KNOCK. It's not even a normal knock. It's a wand knock. Means it's a strong effort knock. Someone is going to knock in your life if they haven't done it. So that's like something that is going to depend on timelines, okay? I hope that you all are doing well. And I'm sending you love and blessings from planet Earth. Namaste. I'm also on Instagram. Links are available. Also, my Gmail is everything is in the description. Also, I highly appreciate your support. So you may do so via PayPal and UPI ID from people from India can do. Also, it's universal. So and GPay. Okay. So what is the message? So that's what I said. There's going to be very strong effort, strong try, strong. So with this being said, it's going to be very strong communication, but there is a strong knock, which means there is someone, okay, already or is going to be, and they are putting effort. Wand is my karma card as well, is a wand. So I do feel like this is also connected with some kind of action, give and take, and this is something connected with karma. So someone is connected, and karma is not always negative. It does depend what you give out. Okay, so it's on action. So what is being done or what is going to be done, said and done, it's going to then rotate and encircle. Not going ahead of it, I'm just saying that this is all about someone who is connected with you and is going to connect with you, if not yet. Well, I'm going to use divine doors. Okay, so just to see what is coming for Aquarius, but I see here literally someone is doing this. So why do they have this? Someone who has struggled a lot in their life, someone who fought a lot in their life, someone who came out of a lot of chaos, someone who does understand that what effort is, someone who is aware about um, life, in simple words. They know. It's just that they know. Okay. Bottom energy is patience. Bottom energy, but we're going to shuffle still. Patience. And the words written, that everything soon will come to light, and then you'll see things will be all right. So basically, like that, you see these walks, and pillars are there walking, and the light is coming. So it's basically telling that things are going to be all right if things are yet not all right, and someone might be keeping a lot of patience here, very specific, that when, who, where, if some of you are waiting for light to come in and change the aura, finances, work, people have different things as in priority list. It's not always romance, it's sometimes friendship, it's sometimes work, sometimes everything at once. You have this particular card, three-eyed raven. Okay, three-eyed raven, and the message is, as sunrise hits upon the dew, a messenger raven calls out with news. Prepare for the unexpected. And I do feel like this should be the title, even like more than like knock on your door, like this is different. So look how classy this door is. This is so beautiful, with all the um, designs and all those things, carvings and everything. It's beautiful. So you have, prepare for the unexpected, darling. Prepare for a news. Prepare for, there's going to be some message. Wow. And it does go with that message when I said knock on your door or knock at the door. Okay. Prepare for the unexpected. How? So let's see what is more coming. This is interesting because they're talking about raven. they're not even talking about crows. So this is something big. And I did talk about that raven is there with, blue gem out of the blue, unexpected, some messenger or someone. This is going to be some important phase of your life. This news could be anything. This someone could be very important for you, though. Not eerie, not creepy. This is someone who is, someone could be a magician here. Maybe you're getting invited to a magic event here, or you might be a magician, or this could be something magically manifesting for you because you did the law of manifestation or attraction somehow. This person, whoever is going to be, they're going to become important part, and goes vice versa. Important part of each other's like life. I do see someone is becoming important part of your life. Like this is going to be good. Just give us the flip. Souls and spirits, I know. Souls and spirits, I know. Wow. Sunset. We talked about sunrise. So this is about a to and fro of communication as well. To and fro between pauses but communication. Look at this. This is so beautiful. There could be beach around your area, or you are one. I do feel like maybe someday, if you haven't, you're going to watch sunrise and sunsets with this person, possible. So it's sunset. Sunset does remind us that someone who believe in hope and good things, and they don't give up, and they're a fighter, like they know that the sun is setting, and I'm thankful that I saw this day with good health and everything, and now tomorrow when the sunrise is going to happen, that's going to be a beautiful good morning. So time here turns to release and unfurl. Old cords of pain fade as the sun's light burns. So it's basically a calling that I am preparing myself for a new sunrise. So for some of you, there could be very important, with the raven being said, very important phase which you might be dealing, or you are going to deal. And then you're going to, this could be one episode of your life, and you're going to just chase it and deal with it and be done with that with the sunset. Okay. What is coming in future? Give us the card and let us know from souls and spirits. You're here. I know you're here, and they gave me the card, and it's here. And let's see. Oh, destiny. Just sun is setting. What is this? They're trying to say something to you. Destiny is your message. Okay. One door closes, another opens for you. Let the plans of destiny unravel true. So interesting. Very strong. Very strong. And I'm amazed that when I see something, I share that, and then it goes with cards is so enchanting. It's so mysterious because look, destiny is holding something. You see, sunset is happening. You're saying some buys and all, or whatever that is happening for you. Okay, closing. But you have this new door opening, and this is saying that it's let the plans of destiny, like let it happen. So if something is happening, so it's starting. Let it happen. Go with the flow. Okay. I've seen the card. Okay, let me use tarot, and let me just ask something and just give us what is coming, okay? Yes, ending, change happening definitely, but don't be afraid. Don't be fearful of any ending because it's coming with us something beautiful. I'm sure. Because destiny. If you, like, for example, if you didn't succeed in certain exam or challenge or competition, and you thought that I lost it, there is something grand. It does happen. Sometimes we feel like, oh, I lost this opportunity to talk with this person, but they might not be worth for you, and you were being protected. And then someone else does come, and you talk with them, and you're like, oh, but I don't feel like, but why I'm going with this flow? And then you know that this person is better than them, whoever was, you felt, right? It does happen. What is coming? The card is here. What is coming? Definitely chariot is happening. So either arrival or move is in your cards. Okay. Look. Oh wow. The star card. Fate. Destiny. Just got destiny. But Aquarius sign is also here. So this is something like a very overwhelming um, situation that is going to open a phase where the connection is going to feel deeper than you ever thought. And this person is definitely coming as a good news, and you are going to be a good news in this person's life. Like it's a north node kind of new direction, in walking in that direction. This is a major card, so this connection is bringing beautiful things in your life. And there is definitely some good message, good news coming at your doorstep, okay, in your life, basically. It's also someone who is, this is a male energy coming, however, can go as versa. This is a male energy coming toward a female. I'm also seeing here someone is growing out their hair again, possible. So, which is very interesting again. Okay. Take care and see you soon. 11:11. Wow, the timing. So, yes, definitely beautiful portal is opening for you. Take care and see you soon. Bye.